New Google Play features target Wear OS users. It's going to be simpler to search out and obtain watch apps from your telephone and watch. Google revealed plans for brand new Google Play options that can make it simpler for PutOnOS customers to search out and obtain the watch apps they need, from their telephone and their watch. Deliberate enhancements to Google Play particularly deal with PutOnOS to enhance watch app discoverability and setup on each Android smartphones and smartwatches. These updates aren't out there simply but, however, might be made out there shortly, based on Google Help's announcement. Should you use an Android telephone, you'll use new search filters like Watch or Watch Faces to discover the PutOnOS apps you're on the lookout for. The replace additionally will embody curated clusters particularly for PutOnOS, offering browsers with in-style suggestions on PutOnOS and Watch Faces for PutOnOS class pages. Should you discover an app you want, you may remotely set up it to your PutOnOS system instantly out of your Android telephone by tapping Setup, with any appropriate smartwatches routinely chosen by default. Google Play is also getting a visible overhaul on PutOnOS gadgets, with Google simplifying the design in order that it is extra user-friendly on smartwatch screens, that are a lot smaller than on telephones. It is basing the design on Material U, inserting essentially the most related info on playing cards that may be expanded for extra element and making navigation extra accessible. Total. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.